Hello students, this is Jothi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, JJ College of Arts and Science, Pudukkottai. We are in the process of learning Python programming, and in this session we are going to see about strings. And what is meant by string? You all know that it is a sequence of characters consisting of alphabets, numbers and special symbols. And you all know that it will be enclosed between quotation. And in Java or C like languages, we use only double quotes for specifying a string. But in Python language, we can use either single quote or double quotes. And but we should not mix the two quotations. See the example here. I'm assigning a variable A with the hello world message, and it is enclosed between single quote. Similarly, another variable B which is assigned as a Python, which is given within double quotes. So either we can use a double quotation or a single quote, and that is one thing. Another thing is string is a immutable in nature. That is, we cannot change a string value in between. Once you assign a string, it should not be altered. So that property we call it as an immutable property. Then let us see the main three built-in function. The three functions are len function, max function, and min function. Len is for finding the number of characters. Like other languages, the function is used to count the number of characters. Then min and max function are different. And min function extracts the character which is having the minimum ASCII value. Similarly, max function returns the maximum ASCII value for a character. It is returned. And we can see the example in this specifying the three function. So first we are going to get a name, and this that I give a name Jothi. And the second statement displays a name along with the welcome message. So we can get the message like welcome Jothi. Then third, we are using the len function for counting the number of characters in the given string. And along with it displays the length of your name is 5. And it is getting the maximum ASCII value for the character. So it returns the character P, which is having the maximum ASCII number. Similarly, the last function returns a min value. It returns the minimum ASCII value for the character H. So in this way, the three functions are the basic function with which we can find the length and maximum ASCII value for a character, and minimum ASCII value character. And next, we are going to see about string concatenation. In the usual manner, plus operator is used for string concatenation. So you can see this example. We are going to combine two strings A and B using the plus symbol. So you'll get the hi, how are you? But the same message, how we can get here in two ways. So first, in the example, hi, how are you? We have not mentioned any blank space in between. So the string are combined with the no space in between. So it is not in a readable way. So in order to make it readable, we can use a blank space in the second string, so that we can be able to read the two strings, two merged strings. So plus symbol is used for concatenation. And next, we can see the operators on strings. This operator asterisk is a different operator which is not available with mm, in other languages. So see, Python supports this asterisk. This is for multiplying the copies of the given string. So here I have specified only Python string as a single string, and this single string can be multiplied for 10 times using the asterisk operator. So this is a new operator, and that is supported by Python language. Then next we are going to see about string slicing. Slicing means cutting or extracting a substring from the given string. So a segment of a string, we call it as a string, string slicing. And how we can get this string slicing using a formula. This specifies the starting and ending position. And here, if we see the example, we can easily understand it. So the given string that I have taken is a hello, and from this hello message, how I am going to slice it. So this first example says that I'm going to slice the three characters. So the character, the E starts at the first position. So you all know that string begins with the zeroth position. So it can be stored at the zeroth position. So H will be at the zeroth position and E will be at the first position. So I'm saying that I'm going to extract the slice from the first position. So the first position letter is E. And from this position, I'm going to extract the three characters. Here, the 4 specifies the maximum position. So that 4 will be 4th character letter will be excluded. So the starting character will be included and the ending position character will be excluded. This is the formula. And from this formula, it will take the first position, second position, and third position. And the fourth position will be excluded. So 3 characters will be received. Then in the second example, it says that it should begin with the first position and the ending may not, maybe anything. So the entire string is displayed. And the third one, here the starting as well as ending is not mentioned. So the entire string will be displayed. And the next example, we have specified the starting letter, but the ending position is larger than the given. So the entire string excluding the H will be displayed. And the next example says that to display the position of the that is character at the -1, that is -1 index is given. So the last character of the string is at the -1 position. So we'll get the value 0. Then the next example, starting as well as the ending is not mentioned. So entire string will be displayed. And the last example says that it should begin from the beginning and it should end before the index -3. So we'll get the message HE. So this is for we can slice the given string. Next, we are going to see about the immutable concept. So immutable means the string cannot be altered. So we can see the example, Python program I am assigning to a variable A. And if I get a single character at the 0th position, then we can get it as P. The first starting position is character is P. So we can get it. Suppose if I want to assign the 0th position character as B, then it is not possible. So this is the concept of immutability. So we cannot alter any string, any character at the given string. So similarly, if you want to extract a 0th position value, then we can easily get, or any position value we can get it. We cannot assign a character to the, or assign a string to the given position. So that is the concept of immutability. Then string comparison, like other languages, here also we can compare two strings using the comparison operator, equal to, not equal to, less than, equal to, or less than, greater than. So this example clearly specifies what is the string comparison. So in this string comparison, we have taken two strings, green and black, and both the strings are not equal. So first one takes the two strings for equality, and it is not equal, so it returns the result as false. And the second one, it compares the ASCII value with the corresponding characters. So it compares the ASCII number of G with the ASCII number of B. Definitely the ASCII value of G is greater. So the first comparison says that it is true. So green is greater than black. In the second comparison, less than comparison, the ASCII value of G is not less than. So it returns the value as false. So string comparison is in the usual manner. And next we are going to see about the formatting operator. It is a different operator. Uh, Other languages not support this. So we can stuff a particular string in between the given string using the percentage operator, formatting operator. So if you want to stuff any string, then we can use the format percentages. If you want to stuff any integer value, then we can use a percentage D. So in this place of percentages, the string Jothi will be replaced, and in the second format percentage in this position, the next value 92 will be fixed. So we'll get the messages. My name is Jothi and I secured 92 marks in Python. And next, we are going to see various methods and functions supported by Python language. So that tabular column specifies lot of functions. Now let us see the functions one by one in the subsequent example. So this capitalize, this is for, see the example, the capitalize, this function is for uh, capitalizing the first letter of the given string. So now we have taken the given string as welcome to Python. This capitalize method will convert the first letter of the given string as capital. Since it is given already given in capital letter, so there will not be any change in the given string. And the second function will convert the given string into lowercase. So the entire string welcome to Python will be converted into lowercase. And next function upper, this will return convert the entire string into uppercase. So you'll get the text like this. Then next function is title. This will convert the first letter of every word in uppercase. So you'll get the result like this. And swap case, this function will convert the uh, lowercase value into uppercase and uppercase to lowercase. So the first letter of the given string is in uppercase, so it is converted into smaller case, and the remaining will be in lowercase. So the remaining characters are converted into capital letters. So swap will convert the upper to lower and lower to upper. Then replace function. This is for replacing a particular string into another string. So here the welcome to Python, here the word Python will be converted as a Python programming. So this is replaced function. Then next we are going to see formatting strings. So this formatting is for justification. So while displaying text, we have used several justification, that is center justification, left justification, and right justification. So these functions are done by these three functions. The first one, center. This will center the given string. So this is the welcome message, is our given string, and this will be centered in a 20 character width position. So in the 20 character width position, this welcome message will be displayed in the center position. And LJust function is for just left justification. So it is aligned to the left end. And RJust function will align the text to the right justification. So we will get the welcome at the right of the given 20 character with position. Then next, we are going to see some of the function which is used for trimming for purpose. So here the white spaces, blank spaces will be trimmed either if it is in left end or it is in right end. So L strip function is for trimming the white spaces which is in the left side, and R strip is used for trimming the white spaces which is at the right side, and strip function is for uh, trimming both the left and right side blank spaces. Now let us see the example, then we can easily understand it. So this is our example welcome. Here this string has several blank spaces in the left side and also several blank spaces at the right end. So L strip will truncate all the blank spaces at the left position, and it displays the welcome message alone. And right strip will remove all the white space at the end of the welcome message and display the message. And this strip function trims both the left end spaces as well as the right end spaces. Next, let us see some of the testing functions. Here we can see first one is for checking whether the given string is in alphanumeric character or not. And next one is checking whether it consists of only alphabets. And the next function is for finding whether the string consisting of only digits. And the next checking whether the given string is in lowercase. Next one is for checking whether the string is in uppercase. And next is checking for space, whether it is a space or not. And this can be clearly given in the following example. So first function, first the input function, it gets the input from the screen. Now I'm giving the string as Python. So this is the string that I give. And is alphanumeric function checks whether it consists of alphabets or numbers in the given string. So it returns, since it is having alphabets, it is returning the result as true. Then next function is alpha. This function checks the given Python whether it consists of alphabets. It is purely consisting of alphabets, so it returns the result as true. The next one is digit. In this text for any digit existing. So this function, this given text is not consisting of any digits. So it returns the result as false. Then next one is checking whether it is in lowercase. It is simply in lowercase. So it returns the result as true. Next one, it is checking whether it is in upper. It is not in uppercase. So it returns the result as false. Let us see some of the functions which are used for searching substrings. There are several functions, and all these functions are explained in the given example. So first, let us see uh, some of the function in the first program. So in this, first we are going to get a string. The string that I have given is welcome to Python. So here, the first function is ends with. This function is checking whether the given string is ending with the substring thon. Since it is ending with the given string, so it is returning the result as true. Then second function is checking whether it is starting with the substring good. Since it is not started with the good, it is returning the result as false. And the third function is finding. So it is for finding the position of the given substring. So the given substring YTHON. Now let us see the position. So W is at 0th position and E as at 1. Then L 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this string is starting at the position to 12. So it is returning the result as 12. Then next one is a count function. This is for checking the occurrence of the letter O. So since this O is existing at 3 places, so it is returning the result as 3. The remaining functions we can see in this program. Here we have used a new concept known as modules. In this module, as like C language and Java language, we can import packages. And the three functions that we are going to see is split, join, and replace are defined in this string package. So we are importing string package. Next, we have defined the text like this. Learning Python programming is interesting. And from this text, I am going to split individual words. So for this, I'm using the split function. So this split function is defined in package. So we are mentioning like this. And so we get the result like learning Python. So every word is splitted and it is shown within a single quotes. The next I'm going to use a join function. So here I have used a nesting function. So the nested function is for splitting the individual words, and this outer join function will combine all the words together, and in between it is used a concatenation symbol plus. So for in between words, I have used a plus symbol. So I can get the result like this, learning plus Python plus like this. And the third function is for replacing particular text with another text. So here I have used a finding word as Python and a replacing word as Java. So hence I get the result like learning Java programming is interesting. So instead of Python, here Java is replaced. So in this way, we can use a functions split, join, and a replace. So with this, we conclude the session. In this session, we have seen about strings and the string manipulation functions which are used in Python language. Thank you.